Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is the Afco heat exchanger with fans for this Camaro ZL1. I got this off an individual on Camaro 5 forums. Saved me anywhere between $50 to $100 depending on where you buy it. These typically run, they're usually about $800. I got it for $680. And I guess he wasn't going to do the build, so anyway, this helps to cool the supercharger for any future mods that I'll be doing. Here's a plug and play kit for the fan. It's got some relays, some connectors, and instructions. That'll be good to read. All right, let's get this out of here and see what it looks like. All right, well, there it is. It's nice and thick. Looks pretty good. Looks like the fin is a little bit dented there, but that's easy to straighten out. Weather pack connectors. 10-inch spall fans. Looks to be good quality. So, give you an idea of the size of this thing. Not as big as I thought it would be, but it's definitely a lot bigger than what's currently in the car. Anyway, when I get around to installing this, I'll continue on with the video on that. This is just an unboxing, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And when I go to make the videos on installation, you'll be there. Thanks a lot.